Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will create paperclip. For that I select top plane, sketch, normal, and I select rectangle command, center rectangle, draw two rectangles with same center point, right click, select option, select this rectangle, make it construction geometry, select this rectangle, again select construction geometry, select smart dimension, select this line 30 mm, select this line 52.5 mm, select this line 8.25, select this line 12 mm, right click, select option. Now select line command, select this point, convert line into arc and select this point, draw straight line and select this point, again convert line into arc and select this point. Now select this point, again convert line into arc, now select this point, right click, select option. Come back from the sketch, this profile is created. Now select features, reference geometry and select plane. Select this point and this line. Select OK. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw circle at horizon, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 1.5 mm, select OK. Come back from the sketch, select this plane, select hide. Now go to sweep boss base. First is profile, select the sketch, select the sketch, select path, select this path, select OK. Now this part is complete. Give it some color, edit appearance, select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.